What's up, guys? So we just got back from an awesome weekend at the Freedom Factory. Huge thanks to Vaughn, Cletus, and just everyone that helped me get to drive there, help the car get ready, everything, every single part of really just helping us get there. So it was an awesome time, and the car, unfortunately, after we got a ton of shredding done, the alternator decided to just not really work anymore, so we were running really low volts, and we ordered a new one. We're supposed to have that in this week, and we're gonna be able to have it completely fixed. And a couple of times when I was on the bank, you'll see in the videos, I was just drifting on the bank, and the car just would just completely get out of drift and just go straight into limp mode. So that happened a couple of times, and after diagnosing, we realized that it was the alternator. So we got a brand new one. We also lost, sadly, a front grille and a corner light, but with BMWs, that's stuff that happens. So, and especially with drifting, you're gonna lose a ton of stuff. So we ordered some brand new grills, some corner lights, an alternator, and we're gonna have everything fixed. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was an awesome experience, and I can't wait for more. All right, enjoy.
Rhys, what's up, bro? So this is my boy, Rhys Conklin. I've known Rhys since he was 4 or 5 years old. All he's done and wanted to do his whole life was drift. He's now 14. This is his BMW that he cuts grass to earn and build. He just got an angle kit on it, and he's part of the Fun Haver fam. We've been helping him out a little bit just with advice, and you know, his dad and I are really, really good friends, and he's been a great friend of mine forever. You know, his dad owns a detail company, and he used to come and clean my cars, and Rhys used to come clean the demo cars at my house, and our relationship just evolved from there. So really pumped to have him out. Are you pumped? Did you think that you would be at the Freedom Factory drifting your BMW?
Not. If you told me last year that I would be doing this, I would not believe it. It's wild. I love it.
Sick, bro. Well, we're pumped to have you. It's going to be a fun day, dude. He's a freaking ripper. When you initiate, be a little more aggressive when you get back on the throttle. So you're coming in and you're like feeling it, like you know you got to break the tires loose. So do your handbrake and be aggressive on the throttle, and then if it starts to rotate too much, then you just lift a little bit. Hey, by the way, it is super hard to come off that bank. Ow, my feet are hot. And try and slow down and drop into there. And you're doing it. Rip it, bro. Do it. Yeah, and you killed it. I felt you right on my door the whole time.
Dude, that was so...
What do you think, Dad?
Dude, my My heart's gonna explode, dude. I don't goosebumps, man.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh my god, I'm so proud.
That was sick, bro.
Proud of you. I'm so proud.
Dude, great job, dude.
Awesome.
How was that?
Dude, I wasn't expecting that at all.
Yeah, I didn't even. The only place that I follow somebody is virtually.
Yeah.
Wait.
That's it.
learned
Yeah.
all this on virtual reality?
Yeah, it's wild, dude.
Yeah. It's fun, isn't it? It's a whole nother level.
It's so good for practice too.
Yeah, it is.
Dude.
Sick. Good job, dude. Proud of you, man.
Thank
Great
you,
work. Yo, that was insane. Rhys just went. I took him out, did some tandem in the Fun Ever Fox. And I was just, running a nice wide line to let him just dive in. I was left for braking a bit just to slow it up. And he was just right there adjusting. It was really cool to see. I'm really cool to see this kid's progression. He's only 14 years old. So it's sick.
So this was an awesome time. Thank you for watching. I hope this is a great video. And thank you to all of my partners, helped me get here. And really you guys, you're my supporters. You guys are awesome. You guys fuel my just perseverance and just how far every single day when I see people like you supporting me, it really just fuels me to keep going. And so really just thank you to all of you guys that are helping me with that. And yeah, I hope you had a great time watching this. We lost some parts here, but yeah. And my partners, everybody that's helped me get here is truly awesome. I love all you guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this.